Hey, I want to talk to you about these boas. These are 2 feet long. Now, I have to tell you, I was not overly excited about how thin these are when I first took them out of the package. But I decided to buy 2 of them because I couldn't figure out which color to get in the pink. And they come in all different kind of crazy colors. But they're great for like Halloween. They're large enough that they'll be able to wrap around. I'm going to take 2 of them and kind of sew them together so they'll be full enough for what I want them for. But overall, they're just fine because they do shed. I'm not going to tell you they don't shed, but I'm only going to use them for, 1 or 2 times. I'm not going to wear them every single day, but they're great to add a little accent to any type of costume that you're doing. And you can also use them in crafts. I've used these before to make a feathered skirt out of them, and it worked great. And so these are a fun little item, whether it's for Halloween or a Gadsby party or something that you want to dress up for, and you just want to add a little extra to your outfit without spending a whole lot of money. And this is just a perfect little add-on. And that is just my honest opinion.